Alright, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. And today's review is going to be on the, what is this, the Longarm? Okay. So, I got the Longarm here. Looks like an average hand? Arm? I'm kidding. This is the Nerf Longarm Doomlands Impact Zone Blaster. It features a tactical rail on top, a side dart barrel. I do not know if this has slam fire. It does not. Alrighty. It does have a bit of a see-through internals here, so you can actually see what's going on every time it goes back. And shoot. It's pretty cool. The dart just popped out for no reason. But the Longarm I picked up from Target for, I think back in New York, for about, I want to say $10, $15, something like that. Along with a few other blasters. And so the Longarm, I gotta say, is an interesting blaster, but I don't see much potential with it. However, I have not tested it completely, so I could be shocked. The barrel itself looks a little too long. This feels like it kind of reminds me let's go off camera for a bit. So if you were to combine this and with the Longarm, I mean, it looks cooler, but I don't think it does really much of anything. But with this setup, it reminds me of the El Diablo from Last of Us, I think. Yeah, the El Diablo Last of Us 1. Where it was just a revolver, but it was high caliber, and it was able to, like, wreck people in single player and in multiplayer. And it always features a scope, but sadly this scope does not come with the blaster, so I'll put that off to the side. So it features 5 of these, it looks like elite darts? Or like they're, it's like the Doomlands darts, but with a black, looks like a black tip with white foam, which is pretty interesting. I like that color scheme a lot. Although, it's, I don't know, pretty bland in a sense too. The Longarm it looks like it's, yeah, so it's plunger fed. It is just, you pull the slide back and then you release. And then rechamber for the next dart. I'm assuming, yes, so every time you cock this blaster, if you pull it back, it will rotate the next dart, but you can't just keep doing it to rotate the next dart over and over and over. You have to pull the trigger, hold on, pull the trigger, and then you can pull this back and you can move the dart back into one more spot. For the price I paid, it looks pretty good, but I'm going to do a wall bounce back test. In case you don't know what a wall bounce back test is, I stand a reasonable distance. Wow, this is a lot of equipment I'm going to be aiming at. Alright, so let's see here. I'm going to aim above the wall. So, leveled. Didn't even shoot. Oh, it wasn't even... Let's try that again. Leveled. Hit me in the thigh. Alrighty. So, this has a good amount of power. So, let's angle this, probably going to be a little bit more. Hit me in the neck. Alright. So this has some pretty good firepower. I don't know about ranges, but this has a tremendous amount of firepower just for this Longarm, and I'm kind of shocked by it too. Stings a little bit, not terrible amounts, and this is stock, keep in mind. This is not modified in any way, shape, or form. Reload time. The one thing I do want to mention for this blaster is the reload time on this could take a while. So I'll give you an example. I'll take out 3 of these darts and try and put them back in. So starting now. So you throw 1 dart in, gotta rotate the barrel by hand, put another dart in, rotate the barrel by hand, put another dart in, and you're done. I have no idea why they have, I think this is, this little channel here, I have no idea why they do that. Because the barrel flips out in the opposite direction. It doesn't make much sense why they have a channel here, unless it's like a method to load darts without having to flip the barrel open. I don't know. And in case you're wondering, I'm talking about this little hole here. Okay, got a good look at it. The grip of the blaster is pretty good. Trigger feels a little sticky, but you know, $10, $15, it's not a bad blaster. I do like the color scheme on this, black, orange, and white. It kind of resembles like a winterish theme to the blaster. But honestly, I would probably give this, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna test one more thing. Let's see what I'm doing. Oh, wow, they could actually go an extra 20 feet. Alright, so the ranges aren't really that good, but it makes an intimidating yet very powerful blaster, mid or short range. So I'd probably give this, I'd give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Some of the key features that I didn't like about the blaster is loading darts into the barrel is a pain. There's no slam fire. It's not a big loss, but loading darts one by one into a barrel that is virtually impossible to load sometimes. What I mean is, when you throw a dart in, sometimes I've seen this happen on camera too. I'll pull this back. Oh, Kobe. No, it didn't happen that time. But I think during my camera shot here, or during the prep of this video, I had shot a dart, and when I rotated the barrel, something popped out, like another dart popped out just automatically. So yeah, that is it for the long arm. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Hope you guys have a great day, night, life, and everything else. And please leave a comment, like, subscribe. And 8.5 out of 10 for the Nerf Doomlands Impact Zone Longarm. And sorry for the bad joke for making a long arm reference. See you guys later.